A few hours ago now, an Orangeburg judge declaring a mistrial in the murder trial of a man charged with killing a Benedict college student. Our Victoria Samuels tells us what happens next.
I find extremely disturbing the failure of the state to diligently review the evidence and its preparation or lack thereof for trial. The state has wasted time and resources and prolonged justice in this matter.
Orangeburg County Judge Maite Murphy called for a mistrial in the murder case of Benedict college student Donovan Smalls. Tyler Givens is charged with the murder of Smalls after shots were fired at a party in Orangeburg on Summers Avenue in April of 2019. Police say Givens was the one who fired the fatal shots. Yesterday, the Department of Public Safety shared new evidence to both prosecutors and the defense. Judge Murphy says the evidence should have been given at the beginning of trial.
Justice requires that the jury charged with deciding the case be given all the relevant evidence upon which to base its decision. The clear question is the significance of the undisclosed evidence. It is uncertain whether that evidence will be exculpatory or useful for impeachment. The public's interest in a fair adjudication necessitates that a mistrial be declared.
Givens' lawyer, Amy Zimmercheck, says the mistrial delays the process of finding justice.
And so what happens now is basically we start over. The problem is for Mr. Givens, it's like I said, we have to now get copies of this trial transcript. I have to hunt down new evidence. But not only that, I'm scheduled for another trial in Williamsburg starting on Monday, and my trial schedule is actually booked up until June. So this not only further delays it for the client, it further delays it for the family. They deserve to know what actually happened that evening, and it's unfair all around. And it's not what our justice system should be about.
The state says they will be retrying this case at a later date. For Street Squad Orangeburg, Victoria Samuels, News 19 WLTX.